The last setting to adjust is your build plate adhesion. This helps your print stay stuck to the print bed while it is being created. To adjust this setting, come over to the build plate adhesion tab and select build plate adhesion type. There are 3 different styles of build plate adhesion. The first is a skirt. A skirt is a thin line of plastic that goes around the outside of the print bed. This gets filament flowing through the nozzle before it actually gets started on your piece, thus helping your print stay stuck to the bed while it is being created. The next type is a raft. A raft is a thin bed of plastic that's placed below your print. Rafts are really good at keeping your print stuck to the bed and preventing wobbling. However, rafts can be difficult to remove once the print is complete. The last type is a brim. A brim is like a mix between a skirt and a raft. It places thin lines of plastic along the edge of your piece, actually touching the piece to help prevent wobbling. And, unlike a raft, it can be very easy to remove once the print is done. Once you select your build plate adhesion type, click the Slice button. This tells Cura to process the image into G-code for the printer that you selected. Once it's done slicing, go ahead and save your file to either a USB drive or upload it to Octoprint.